Okay, today we're going to learn about your verb, your very first verb, ser, and we've been using it all year long. We're just going to kind of formalize it today. So here's your first new word, and it's in English. Your first new English word for the day is the word conjugation. You're going to hear me say it a million times for the rest of the year. So conjugating a verb means to break it down into its parts, to show number, to show persons, to show tense. So our first verb we're going to be working with is the verb ser, and it means to be permanent. Like we've used it, de donde eres? Where are you from? Those places, those items, they can't change. Those are permanent things. Okay, so let's review a little bit. Subject pronouns will go in front of the verb. But remember, like we talked about yesterday, they're used for or emphasis. Or we've only used them for emphasis. Today we're going to talk about clarification too. So the form of the verb will line up with the subject. So think about it as two transparencies and you lay them on top of each other and they can only line up with a certain one. So yo, ella, usted, again, first person, singular. Second, singular. These three, everything in the first column is singular. Nosotros and nosotras, those are first person, plural. That's their position. As ellos, plural of ella is ellas. The plural of usted is ustedes. Those are subject pronouns. So here we go. And you're going to recognize all of these guys are forms of ser. Soy, eres, es. Remember we did it at a time. Here's your brand new one. One new word today. Son. So if we were to give these guys meanings, y'all are. Okay? We did that. So here we go. So again, picture it as transparency. So let's put it up here. Yo, subject pronoun, nosotros. I'm gonna run out of room. And then ellos, ellas. Remember, they can only line up with certain forms of the verb. Yo can only go with soy. El, ella, and usted, they can only sit with s. Nosotros and nosotras can only sit with somos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes, they match up with son. So here we go. What form of ser can